I remember eating it as a young child. My great-grandmother, we lived together in a little house. So she would stoke her wood stove and put on her cast iron pan and make a nice pan-size piece of bannique, and we just tore off what we could eat. And if we were lucky, we would get raisins in our bannique as a treat. My mom made really good bread as well. So when I started learning how to do the bannique, my mom preferred my fried bread to hers. She would do the other breads, and whenever she wanted fried bread, I would come over and make fried bread for her. So now I'm doing a lot of baking with my grandkids, and I love it. Giving them their own bowl to practice and work with, they're going to start to get that feel. You can feel when your dough is right. I know when it's going to be a tough batch, or I know when it's going to be a really fluffy batch. You just get the feel of it. And they're not going to get that feel if they don't actually have some playtime with it. Preparation is always really important, and setting up your environment is always important. You always have the handle of your pan turned inside at all times, and you don't have anything else cooking on the burner. Your main focus is going to be on that oil, and I'm usually right close to it. So if one of the kids forgets that they're not supposed to be in that no zone, I'm there to kind of shoo them away. To me, it's family time. We're talking, we're laughing, we're in the kitchen, we're sharing what we're making, and then we're sharing it with the elders in the community. I just know that when I make it, it makes a lot of people happy. Therefore, it makes me happy. Not bad.